this isn't Gaddafi. They found bin Laden. And my boss looked at me and she goes, that's exactly what I was thinking. My buddy driving the van, I'll never forget the way he looked at me in the mirror and he said, man, O'Neill, if we kill Osama bin Laden, I will suck yo. You know, fast forwarding, obviously 3 weeks to the day, we're looking down at bin Laden in his house, and I said, well, now's as good a time as any, I guess. And he's like, oh, fuck you. And I'm like, your bet. The commanding officer of SEAL Team 6. I'll never forget the way he said, the reason you guys are here is this is as close as we've ever been to Osama bin Laden. We're professionals, and we're like, okay, are we going right now? I mean, we're ready. They went into such depth of how they found him in his long briefs, almost like, look, we believe you. I don't need to know this. Just you tell me where he is, I'll carry the gun and the sledgehammer.